Hello everyone, this is Baltej here, and today we are making a helmet mount in my garage. As you can see, my helmets are just placed on the shelf here. Every time I move anything from the shelf, there's a chance that I might drop these helmets and put a scratch. So I went to Walmart and got these hooks drapery holdback sets with mounting hardware for approximately 10 bucks Canadian. Let's open it up and see. That's the first one, the first hook. The second one, that's the hardware, screws and plastic studs. First we need to find the studs in the wall. It's pretty obvious, there is one stud right there. Now we'll drill some pilot holes and use the hook as our reference for the second one. Here's the first hole. And there's the hook, just as a reference, so we don't put the holes where we don't want to. Now we'll put the plastic studs in the wall and use the dowel to make sure they are wedged in there. And then we'll take our hook and put the screws through it and tighten the screws. The top one, don't tighten it up like right away, all the way. First we'll tighten the bottom one. Now once we're done with the bottom one, you can tighten the one at the top all the way in. And there we have it, a helmet mount for around 10 bucks. There you go. And I just want to remind you guys, please share and subscribe the video. Thank you, and have a nice day.